Welcome, students. Hope you're all doing good. Yeah, today we'll be solving question 16 under exercise 1A, chapter 1 of your new general mathematics for senior secondary school, book 1. And the question simply says a raised to power minus 9 divided by b raised to power 0. So how do we solve this? As you know, this is a problem under the law, under indices. So we're going to use a lot of the laws of indices to solve this. But before I proceed, I want to remind you to go ahead and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, because the more people who subscribe, the more we are encouraged to release these solutions day after day after day. And that way more people will get to see it. We'll get to the UTME questions faster, we'll get to the SSE questions faster, and we'll solve them to you using these videos. So subscribe, let us know that you really want this, and we'll keep working on it for you. It's free, so go ahead and subscribe. Thanks. So back to the question at hand. Question 16 on that page says a raised to power 9 divided by b raised to power 0. A raised to power minus 9 divided by b raised to power 0. So how do we solve this question? Well, it's very simple. The first thing we need to do, that you need to do rather, is to solve it on your own first. Yeah, solve it on your own first. See if you get the principles right. If you don't, then whatever we solve here will help you to get better at using the principles. So solve it on your own first, then you go ahead and use the solutions we have provided for you. So like I said, solve it on your own first, and then use the solutions we have provided for you. So looking at this question, the solution is very simple. Very simple. I could have well just say, oh, b raised to power 0 is 1. So a raised to power minus 9 divided by 1 is a raised to power minus 9. Automatically we solve that. But no, we got to break it down so that you understand this very well. So the law of indices. Anything raised to power 0, so far it is not 0 itself, is 1. Anything raised to power 0, so far the variable is not 0 itself, gives you a 1. So x raised to power 0 is equal to 1. That is the third law of indices. And there are two different problems here, so we're going to be using two different laws of indices to solve this. The second law we'll be using is the one which says anything raised to a negative power is equals to 1 divided by both the variable and its exponent. So x raised to power minus a is equals to 1 divided by x over a. That's the fourth law of indices. Now we're going to use these two laws to solve this problem. So let's proceed here. What you have next is a raised to power minus 9 divided by b raised to power 0. B equals to 1 divided by a raised to power 9. Just like you see here, to change this exponent to positive, x raised to power minus a becomes 1 divided by x raised to power a. A raised to power minus 9 becomes 1 divided by a raised to power 9. Divided by b raised to power 0. We could say 1, but just to make it clearer, anything 0 is a variable minus itself, a variable deducted from itself. So b raised to power 0 can easily be called b raised to power a minus a. So here we have it, 1 over a raised to power 9 divided by b raised to power a minus a. And what that simply means is this. As you know from the second law of indices, anything raised to a negative subtraction, that's if the exponent is a subtraction sum, what you have is this: b minus a, b raised to power a minus a simply equals to b raised to power a divided by b raised to power a. If you remember the second law of indices, b raised to power a minus a simply means b raised to the power a divided by b raised to the power a, and this is what we have right here. So definitely this cancels out and gives us 1. Just like we said from the beginning, anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So proceeding, we have 1 divided by a raised to the power 9 divided by 1. So this is 1 raised to the power 1 divided by a raised to the power 9, and that is our answer, a raised to the power minus 9. Because as you know from the fourth law, anything raised to a negative exponent is 1 divided by both the variable and its exponent. So going back to the beginning, it simply means a raised to the power minus 9 divided by b raised to the power 0. The b raised to the power 0 is 1, so it's a raised to the power minus 9 divided by 1, and the answer is a raised to the power minus 9. And that is the answer. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this. Go ahead and work it out and see if you got the principles yourself. Take good care.